Court delivers fresh judgment on Rivers Assembly crisis. So, my dear listeners, you know how we do it. Before I go into details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel, and share. Good morning and welcome to today's news. The Rivers State High Court has ruled that Governor Siminalayi Fubara can legally work with the three lawmakers who have not vacated their seat in the State Assembly. The suit, filed by the Association of Legislative Drafting and Advocacy Practitioners, sought to compel the governor to present the 2024 budget to the Assembly members led by Martin Amayewule. These 27 lawmakers had lost their seat after defecting to other political parties. Justice Akpioku ruled that Governor Fubara is within his right to transact business with the remaining lawmakers, including presenting the budget and making key state appointments. The judge referenced similar instances in the past when governance continued with fewer assembly members. The court also clarified that the vacated seat could only be addressed if the lawmakers challenged their status in court or if elections were held to fill those positions. The court declared the group's request invalid and dismissed the suit. Additionally, a fine of 500,000 naira was imposed on the claimant in favor of the defendant. Therefore, the same way His Excellency Ezenwo Iyesom Wike presented budget and financial bills with only 6 members when the numbers were less than two-thirds of the 32 members, so shall His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara, the Governor of Rivers State, be constitutionally guided to the interface and approach the properly constituted House of Assembly led by Okojimbo to carry on the business of the state and until the 27 lawmakers who defected and lost their seat approaches the court for a redemption or INEC conduct another election to the seats vacated to the 27 lawmakers upon their defection. In sum, until the Supreme Court gives its verdict on the issue of jurisdiction, which affects the status of the 27 lawmakers, it is only those who did not vacate their seat. The governor can constitutionally approach to the present budget, appoint chief judges and president customary court, also screen commissioners, including the Attorney General, and make board appointment. That the claimants claim seeking declaratory and injunctive reliefs for the representation of the 2024 budget to the former 27 lawmakers who defected and automatically vacated their seat lacks merit and is accordingly dismissed. That this suit be and is hereby dismissed with cost in the sum of 500,000 naira awarded in favor of the defendant and against the claimant. We've come to the end of our today's news, and now before I go, let's move down to the comment section. The first comment I have here says, "Thank God for third round wins. The rule of law is on course. His Excellency, God is your strength. Just believe in God." Another comment here says, "This is what it's supposed to be. Good enough." Similar case is cited when Wiki was a governor. A comment here says, "What a country. I am confused right now. What is the legal solution to this matter and why has INEC party not conducted election To replace those impostors, if their seats have been vacant, are they being paid? The legal system in Nigeria is something not to be desired at all.
Now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.